I got a bra on. You want me to take that off? I'm like, wait a minute. Where we was going with this?
I never see you do no shit like that.
That was good. Got back there, put your legs all the way back here. He double jointed. Ooh, these hamstrings, baby. If I'm on all fours, where you gonna be?
Behind you.
Oh, Lord. I knew he was gonna get on this table.
Take a nice deep breath in and breathe.
The Nesly.
I'm assuming.
The whole candy bar. Come on, climb up on this. Come on, do what you just did. Don't get shy now. Come on, candy bar. That was good.
That was good?
He smelled good, too.
You're supposed to be relaxed while you get stretched.
Shit, that was, I don't know. Look, y'all. I couldn't do this before. You gotta get Y strap so you can do this. Then you can turn all the way around like that. You can see everything.
No, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, then I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not.
You have on any inner straps?
Huh?
Like that.
I got a bra on. You want me to take that off?
No. I ain't going like that.
I'm like, wait a minute.
I know it's some cameras in here. Chilling.
I'm just trying to figure out where we was going with this.
I want to clip this one.
Oh, sure. I'm like, wait.
Like, what's going on?
I'm like, Ben, he said something about a Y strap, but you gotta take your bra off. I'm like, wait.
How you going? She's gonna. Somebody's gonna have to hold the table for me. Okay. So maybe Kofani will be there by then. No. When we do the strap.
Where was you going? You notice I ain't wear my bonnet. He traumatized my bonnet because he had his balls on my bonnet, right? Are you doing that today? Because that actually helped. I wore my little raggedy scarf today, so
You gotta watch her video.
My scarf will be okay.
Hey guys, Dr. Clerge, DMV Chiropractor. D is back. Right?
I'm back.
You ready for this?
Yep, he about the 50 shades of gravy. Let's go.
This is the Y strap, so we use that for basically decompression. Okay. And what we do is we strap it around the neck, and then we pull to kind of decompress the spine. Okay.
You pull where?
So, from the neck up.
Don't break my neck.
We'll try not to.
Okay. All right.
So I'll assess you first. Check out your ranges of motion, and then then we'll start with the adjustments. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So let's check out your lumbar range of motion, and then we'll go up to the neck. Okay.
What about my archidosis?
Your lordosis.
Whatever.
Let's have you stand up for me. All right. So let's have you bend forward. Okay. Well, you're moving pretty good. What's going on? What do you feel? You don't feel much?
Just in here, hamstrings.
Just hamstrings? Low back is fine with that?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Both arms up. Okay. Let's extend. Go all the way back for me. What's going on?
I mean, I can't do my stripper move anymore with like the Matrix.
I see you've been watching my videos. And you can't go all the way back. Yeah. All right, but that's fine though, right? No problem? Mm-mm. Okay, let's have you on your back for me.
Yeah. Ben, because Ben was the cameraman the last time.
Right. He was all in your face too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Ding.
Okay, let's see what we got going on here. Okay. How's that? Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, no pain, nothing like that, right?
Mm-mm.
All right, keep the legs straight for me. Go all the way back. Besides the hamstrings, no back pain?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Same thing on this side here. Relax. All the way back. How's that? That's fine?
Yep.
Okay. Leg up. Besides the hamstring, no back pain?
No.
No. Okay. All right. So I'm going to have you on your stomach for me. All right. So D, I'm going to apply pressure to your lower back.
Okay.
Do you feel any pain with that, or is that okay?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Go to the mid back. Upper. Pressure. Is that okay or any pain?
No pain.
No
Just
pain.
tight.
Just tight. All right. So I'm gonna keep the pressure in the lower back. Lift your whole leg off the table. So we're gonna bring it all the way up. There we go. Bring it down. Good. How did that feel?
I didn't feel anything in my back.
Nothing in your back. Okay, gotcha. Same thing on this side. Lift all the way up for me. Bring it down. How's that? Same. That's okay? All right, let's have you sit up.
But you already sweating on your head. Yes. Wait till you. I don't know if you should stretch me today.
You got all the windows open.
I don't need your sweat dripping on my outfit.
Oh, man.
He be like,
Swift is like, I'm missing all the... All right.
Crazy.
All right, D, let's do some neck.
oh, he about to get on the table, man.
I can never focus when she's here, man.
He had to get on the table for
All
it.
right.
Doc say he cut his own hair? Yeah, he cut
Oh.
on that.
Yeah.
I can see it. I can see it. I can see him doing that.
You say he cut his hair in between patients.
I cut it in the face.
Wait a minute. Oh, you got time to do that shit? That's because he want to be nice for the camera every second. He like, oh, wait a minute, let me get this. Yeah, I can see that.
That's true. Oh, man. All right. Let's check your neck range of motion.
Okay.
All right, let's do lateral flexion. Let me know how that goes. What do you feel? I feel you resisting a bit. Is that uncomfortable?
Yeah, it's tight. Yeah.
Okay. Let's go to the other side. That's tight as well. Is that painful though?
It's just tight.
It's just tight.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go forward and backwards. Backwards. How does that feel?
Tight.
That's tight.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna have you look to the right, look to the left. I'm gonna hold on to your shoulders. Good. Let's go to the other side. Good. How's that?
Okay.
Okay? Mm-hmm. All right. Okay. All right, so let's start with your adjustments.
Come on up.
We're going to do everything a little differently. So your mid-back, we did it standing up. I'm going to do it on the table. The neck, you like the last adjustment when I was on the table, so we could do that.
Okay.
And then your lower back, and then we're getting the Y strap today.
Y
Okay?
strap.
All right? Are you ready?
Yep.
All right. Okay.
You gotta agree. You gotta say why strap me.
Y strap me. That sounds like, what is that? Like the BDSMs, what is it? Yeah, like 50 Shades of Grey.
Yeah. It's
Why-
medical though. This is the medical version.
Y strap me.
Yeah.
All right.
Is that in the same family as like those strap-ons? I need to see
No,
it.
no, that's not.
Okay.
You've seen it though, right? It's
Just want to make sure. Okay.
That's what it looks like.
It's kind of small.
Yeah, it's.
And you're going to attach it to my neck and then the bottom to my feet and then pull?
Yeah, we're not. Well, it just attaches to the neck and then we pull. So it's not attached to your feet. So
Okay.
we'll see. All right. I'm going to have you on the table.
Okay.
Both legs facing this wall. So both legs on the table face this wall. Yep, just like that. Good. All right. Okay. Both arms up. You're gonna interlock your fingers behind your head. Good. Okay. Now, I have to be able to. Is this table gonna hold us, Ben?
What you trying to say?
It's about 8 years
Well, what you trying to say?
No, I'm.
You trying to sound fat?
No, I'm just saying. I'm not saying that. It's just two people on the
It's a
table.
refurbished table.
The refurbished table.
This whole building is messed up. Ain't got no air.
I have to be able to reach in right here. All right. Okay, I need you to relax, but keep your fingers interlocked, okay?
Look at this.
All
Okay.
right, so just drop your whole body on me. Good. All right. Deep breath. Out. Relax.
Oh,
Yes, man.
my gosh.
Woo.
Well, went from balls on my head to balls on my back. That was so romantic.
It was.
It wasn't
I
it?
ain't never see you do no shit like that.
He said just fall on me, just surrender.
Curse. They be complaining about it. They say we have professional YouTube. We be cursing.
I didn't curse. I cursed.
Yeah.
What'd I say?
How did it feel?
It's all sorts of shits and
I ain't say that.
meannesses.
I ain't say that.
Professional environment.
How did it feel?
I don't
What do I say? I gotta be clean. Say, it was good.
It was good?
Yeah.
Okay, any pain with that?
No, that was good.
That was good?
Yeah, that was it, wasn't it?
You heard it all the way from across the room, huh?
Look, I need one of those, man. Look, you ain't leaving out here without.
I was surprised. I didn't know what was. I was like, this one of them risk positions. Yeah, that was good.
That was good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do Ben stretch you?
He stretched me last time, like, that was like a few weeks ago.
Yeah.
Yeah.
'Cause
You sound flexible.
Yeah, you super flexible. You got back there, put your legs all the way back here, and he double jointed. I'm about to be the doc. Okay, touch your toes. Let me see.
Mix them up.
Yeah, let me see.
You're gonna adjust me?
I'm about to be I'm the chiropractor. Touch your toes.
All right.
Let me see if you have archdosis.
Let's have you on your side facing me.
Okay.
All right.
When your last day here?
In 3 weeks.
Oh Lord, I gotta come one more time.
You gotta come one more
You
time.
coming to Baltimore?
We're talking about it. You know,
Why are we talking about it?
because I'm so busy.
When you about to Baltimore?
The Master Baltimore.
Yeah, because now we done posted that video. Now everybody want to come. They get adjusted. Well, that's what we're talking about.
know.
They feel like you need to come with them.
Put your head right in the middle here. All right, perfect. Okay, all right. So let me position you.
The entire time I did not know your name was Nesly.
You didn't know it was Nestle, like the crunch
the
bar?
candy bar.
Like the candy bar, right. Okay, so D, bring your lower body closer to me. There you go. Perfect. Good. All right. Put your arm. I'm gonna reach in.
What's the difference? Do just hanging?
Huh?
It's
Yeah,
fine?
just it's fine.
Okay.
So you're tight though, so you can let it go a little bit. There you go. Make this leg straight. Good. Bend this leg for me. Perfect. All right. Take a deep breath. Let it out. Good. Yes, ma'am.
You see him?
Yes, ma'am. Not too bad?
Not too bad.
All right, let's go to the other side.
My lower back.
All right, perfect.
You know, I think I'm a chiropractor now, Ben. So, like, when all my friends with big butts be like, their lower back hurt, I'm like, oh, yeah. You got the doses. You got the doses, girl.
Oh, man, she is something
My
else, man.
doctor told me that.
Let's,
And I know a bunch of them.
to do the commercial for
She should be the one to do the commercial.
No, that's a fact.
bring,
That's non-fiction, bro. That's
Do you have one of these in your back hurts?
bring your lower body closer
You
to
might
me.
have lordosis.
There you go. Perfect. All right, perfect.
Lordosis.
Yeah.
So you're going to hold on to your arm. Good. There you go.
I need you to record how he climbs up on me
Okay,
in slow motion.
I'm getting it.
Dr.
I'm
Nestle.
assuming.
This is crazy.
Yeah, he's a whole candy bar. He a whole candy bar. I didn't even know.
You can't be making them live while you're trying to crack your
I'm sorry. Come on, climb up on this. Come on, do what you just did. Don't get shy now.
Oh my gosh. Let's bring your lower body a little bit closer. A little bit closer to me. There you go. Perfect. Okay. And I'm going to reach in. Good. There you go. Good. All right. I'm going to bend this leg. Need you to relax. You may not hear a whole lot on this one though. Deep breath. Out. Relax. Good. Yeah.
I
Felt it,
felt it.
right? Yeah, you felt it. All right. Okay, so let's have you sit up. Okay, come up. All right. So you want to remic her? Where do you want to put it? I'm going to do the neck.
Dang, don't say it like that. What you about to do to her?
Can I go in there? Is that
Yeah.
okay?
You gotta go. Yeah, put it aside there.
Look at Ben.
Show, baby.
What is he doing? He laying there like a little creep.
All your videos, you always gotta do.
Well, like he's.
Look at Donnie. Look at Donnie.
I want you to. I need you to see, get what he's scrolling. Cause he all in it.
Let's have you sit face this wall for me. All right. Okay. All right, are you ready?
What's this one?
This is for the neck.
Oh, he about to climb on the table, y'all. This is signature one. I'm ready.
That's the one you like to do.
Yeah, that's the one he likes to do. Remember I said it before.
Take the earrings off for me. I'm gonna get on the table.
We know. I'm excited.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay. All right. So, rotate your head slightly. Good. Drop your head in the palm of my hand. Good. There you go. That's good. Relax. Good.
Oh my gosh. Wonderful. That was good.
That was good.
Yeah.
Any pain with that?
Nope.
No pain?
You take it all away. Dr. Nesly. Come on, candy bar.
Get on the table again. All right. Here we go.
Been stuck.
Good. Rotate. Drop your head down. Here we go. Good. Relax.
That was good.
That was good.
He smelled good too. He wears deodorant.
Not too bad?
Not too bad.
Get
No,
up, move
it's
around
good.
before we do the white strap. Let's see how you feel.
Well, damn, what's going on? No, this is good.
This is good?
I'm ready.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
I'm about to be Y-strapped.
All right. So
And I've never done this before.
I'm going to have you on your back. Your head is going to be right here.
So what is the Y-strap going to do?
So basically what it does, it decompresses the spine. Okay, so imagine your spine being compressed, and all we do is like create space. So it's kind of like an accordion.
Am I supposed to have space?
Well, when I say create space, it decompresses,
Yeah.
create temporary space, and it goes back.
Okay.
All right? So it's not like we're creating like a permanent space. It's just decompressing. All right?
Oh, okay.
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 You scared?
Yep.
If you're honest. Okay. All right, so I'm going to do a few pulls. Okay?
Okay.
And then you let me know how it feels, okay?
Okay.
It shouldn't be painful, but you should feel the tension of me pulling. All right, I want you to look up for me a little bit. There you go, good, perfect. All right.
Ow! Sight.
Yeah, trip.
Don't try this at home.
Deep breath. Out. Let's do it one more time. Deep breath. Out.
Ah, shit. That was, I don't know.
I'm standing there like I got it. Like,
I don't know what that was.
How did that feel? Did you hear any popping?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I heard my whole brain do something.
How far did the pops go? You say you're not
know.
sure? The neck, upper back, lower?
It was more my neck.
More on your neck?
Yeah, my neck.
All right, let's take this off.
No, it didn't hurt. It just surprised me.
Yeah, it is surprising, but you hear the right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, that's how you sit up.
Did my neck still move?
You're still moving, you're still kicking. All right.
That was something like, that's like somebody like steal you.
Somebody what?
Yeah, just like steal you. Like you walking down the street, somebody just go, you know what I mean? It was like that.
So, all right, get up, move around. Let me know how you feel.
Dang, I couldn't even respond. I was shocked. Yeah, that's not bad. I know tonight, 24 hours. When I get up, be like, hold on.
You'll be fine.
Yeah, that was good.
That was good?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, how do you feel? Loose?
Yeah.
Yeah? So now Ben is going to take over, do your stretches, and then we'll record that part. Okay?
Okay, so put your hands all the way up. How's that feel?
it's a little tight, like right here. Right through here.
Oh, okay. Put your hands down. Okay. Does your lower back hurt?
Yeah, like right here.
Like right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have that dosis.
I got the archdosis.
It's typical in black African men. Sit on the table. No, lay on your back.
All right.
Hit me up if you want to be stretched. All right, so I'm just going. Oh,
Are you board certified?
this how I've been. Yes, I am.
All right.
Street certified. All right, so this how I've been. But, all right, you ready? Take a deep breath. Then he be like, okay. I ain't going this side. He be like this.
When he's stretching,
By this point, he out of breath. It's supposed to be like a 30-second count. At 18, he'd be like, whew. Then he goes, how's this feel?
Oh, feels good.
Okay. Oh, then, I'm sorry. I'm supposed to be him.
I don't even breathe like that. I do not breathe like that.
oh my God.
You ready?
I'm trying to help the client release. Yep.
Deep breath. Then when he get like tired, he'll just start doing random shit like. So his heart rate can go down. Then he'd be like,
Oh my God.
then he'll come out with, he'll be like, oh, yeah, we need to work on your range of motion. Okay.
Oh man.
He'll do that.
Wow, bro.
Then he'll do this. Oh, I need
Oh,
that.
she got to get stretched. She got to get stretched, Ben.
Oh, man. He was y'all like getting stretched.
That's his response.
Sit up.
Comfortable. I'm not ready to get him up yet.
I got another stretch.
Yes, we got.
This how Doc be. Doc be like,
I say, don't try
this how Doc be.
Don't try these new
This how Doc be. Deep breath. Then you be here like, click, 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 click.
Do not try this at home.
I think he likes this. Look. See?
That's gonna be a new move. He's gonna incorporate that.
You said this was tight.
This is a D-stretch right here.
Yeah, D-stretch. Come get the D-stretch. Stretchloft.com.
Oh man.
Need a bear though. Oh no, leave. No, now leave. Look, y'all. You come get Y-strap. This what it do.
Couldn't do that before,
I
right?
couldn't do this before.
Missing all of that.
Yeah. You gotta get Y-strap. So you can do this. Then you can turn all the way around like that. You can see everything.
All right.
Ben done went to Africa and bought some big old beads. Go ahead, Ben.
You ready to
They
go?
mean something? Mm-hmm. What do it mean?
Life.
Okay.
Whose phone is that?
Not mine. Whoever phone that is, they need to grow up because their ringtone is terrible. Oh, sorry. That was Dr. Nesly's.
That's the money call.
Oh, that's the money call. Okay. He said, mm-hmm.
Here, breathe in and breathe out.
Oh, now that feels great.
Let's do the other side again.
Okay.
Go ahead and breathe in. And let's go.
That felt good.
That felt good, didn't
I
it?
needed that. I think I've been sleeping wrong on my pillow. Wasn't it you who said you shouldn't sleep on your... Yeah. How many pillows? I be sleeping on a lot of pillows. Ooh, these hamstrings, baby. Look at Ben. This is where he working on his heart rate. He moving slow. He
Like the bullshit moves.
he moving slow today because there's no air up in this joint. He like, I ain't passing out on camera. He just cracked my lower back a little bit, Doc.
You heard that?
I did. I felt it.
Breathe in. Let's go. I thought she farted.
Well, damn. That would be rude.
Normal.
That was my lower back cracking.
You can hear it cracking?
I felt it.
Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in.
See, you felt that? Did you hear me? He trying to do your job, Doc. He over here cracking. Ugh. That feel weird. Ah. I think that's payback.
That felt, you needed that.
Look, y'all.
You need, oh, come on. Let it go, let your leg go. This means they holding on and they need to relax. You do this, they holding on.
Y'all got a busy day today?
We got 6 people.
Oh, well, 5 more, huh?
Uh-huh. What happened to Ian?
Huh?
What happened to Ian last week, 2 weeks ago?
Who?
Ian.
I don't know. He going through a lot with his mom. She been in and out the hospital like crazy. Doc coming to Baltimore.
He said he was acting like he's too busy.
Huh?
He's just trying like he's too busy.
Yeah. He make his own schedule. We're talking about you. My little Nesly Clerge.
Like don't paper. He'll hear us.
He over there act like he looking at papers. You know I ain't even fill it out. So what you looking at?
Documents.
Like he don't hear us, right? Come on to Baltimore, doctor. What's the date? July, come on, July 15th. You need to come. Ooh.
Breathe in. Let's go. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Ooh. This was great. I always, like, after I get stretched, I can't wait to go to, like, boot camp the next day.
Show off.
Yeah, oh, my gosh, I'd be so loose. Running off.
Running everything. Lapping people.
Mm-hmm. What's your secret, D? Don't worry about it.
Riverdale.
Ben is my secret.
She said Riverdale. You said Riverdale. They're like, oh, nah, where's that at?
This African man.
Tell him Chinadu.
Yeah. This African man from Cameroon. Doc look like he could be from Cameroon too.
Yeah. He close enough. He speak French.
Mm-hmm. Oh, he don't do that to me.
Do what?
I need him to speak French in my sessions.
That man cut his own head like real loud.
Oh, he do for real?
Yeah.
Damn.
Breathe in.
In between appointments.
Let this go. Let it go. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Let's go.
So, Doc, you really do cut your own hair, huh?
I do.
In between appointments?
Nah, I cut it probably like every 2 or 3 days. I just freshen it up, you know.
Ben, you don't cut your own hair?
I do. I cut mine every 2 days. And then every other day I just freshen it up also.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah, put a little lime juice, you know.
Oh, wow.
Right.
I want to know why you don't speak French to me in our sessions.
Who, me?
Yeah.
I understand French.
I take it up. I take it up.
All I'm good at understand.
Well, you need to say that kind of stuff in our sessions. It'll make me relax more. Just make up something.
Huh? I understand French.
Yeah, like I'm not like proficient at it, but I understand.
By my 5th day in Cameroon, my French had improved by like 30%.
Wow.
Yeah. If I spend a good 3 months in Cameroon, I know French. I learn it.
Well, you, does it still look the same?
Yeah, it's from 32 years ago, yeah.
Damn.
Yeah.
That's how long it's been? Since you've been there 32 years?
32 years ago, I didn't speak any English. I was in Esau till like the 8th grade.
You saw your family?
Yep.
Then what do you think of French?
I spoke my dialect and I spoke French.
Who?
My dialect. So I just learned that it's called Ngemba.
What's your
Yeah.
the language?
Yeah.
Oh.
So I'm gonna teach y'all So,
Say something.
okay, so a greeting in my language, you say abella, and then you say abona. So abella,
Abona.
abona, abella, abella. There we go. Huh?
But I want
Yeah,
you to say
yeah.
a whole sentence.
Okay. So you can go to Doc after this and you can say Lorta Machia.
Wait a minute, what am I saying to him?
You say, get up, let me sit down.
Oh. Well, he's still over there fake reading them blank papers. I ain't even fill them out. I just signed. Oh, gosh.
They looking for you, D?
Not me. I mean, I did call in advance before I got Y-strapped because I wasn't sure. So I wanted them to be on standby. I forgot to call him off. He wanted to be a chiropractor so bad.
So bad.
He was like, let me crack her fingers.
Let's get you to turn on your stomach.
Yeah.
Here we doing new stretches.
Well, if I'm on all fours, where you gonna be?
Behind you.
Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord.
Hey, dog, hey, look, cut. Your shoulders.
Oh, like a push-up.
Uh-huh. And then you're going to keep this knee right here and then extend this leg back. Boom. Good. Now drop that knee. Good. Here. And
I
want you
knew
to-
he was gonna get on this table.
All right. So I want you to chiropractor.
He was like, look, Dr. Nesly be all up on the
Let this leg go.
table.
Let this leg go. Let this leg go.
Let's go.
Uh-huh. Take this leg, take this foot and put it right up here. This foot. Good. Yep. Yep. And kind of get right here. Good. Take a nice deep breath in. And breathe.
Oh, yeah. Wait
You
till
feel
I go
that?
to run tomorrow.
Good. Again. Breathe in. And let's go. Again, breathe in. And lunge forward a bit. Good, 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 good. You feel that?
Yep.
Good. All right.
I think he enjoyed it.
That's a great stretch. That's one of my favorite stretches.
He all out of breath, like he did something.
All right, put this foot up front. Can we not wear these socks again, please?
They my stretch socks.
Those are your stretch socks?
Mm-hmm.
No, we get you some stretch socks.
Yeah, they my stretch socks.
These like the sleep socks.
Huh?
So they're your sleep socks.
No, my stretch.
All right, lunge forward a bit. Good. Take a deep breath in. And lunge forward, breathe out. No, lunge forward, lunge forward, lunge forward, lunge forward.
That's tight, tight.
Is the knee okay?
Mm-hmm. It's my hamstring, it ain't the knee.
It's right here, right?
Yeah. It was
Good.
this knee that was surgery.
Breathe in. And let's go.
Ooh.
Lunge forward, hips forward, hips forward.
Ah. Ooh. Whoa. Let me go. Ooh, that hurt. I mean, a good hurt. You
Good.
need to come stretch my hamstrings every day.
Stand up, walk around.
You see, he got on the table like you. Yeah.
Stand up, just walk around.
I don't know what that position was called.
That felt good though.
The doggy stretch. Yeah, that was, don't make it seem like something was going on. You heard that? Something was going on. Yeah.
All right, let's get back on the table.
That was the what stretch was that?
We haven't done that one yet.
No, he said what stretch was that? Tell her I'm so sorry.
So I'm doing all like hip-based movements.
Yeah, I need that.
Yep. Opening up the hips.
Ooh. Then you need to get on Zoom and tell me how to stretch at home.
Yeah.
Yep. Be like, do this, do this. I need to keep this up.
Hips feeling good, huh?
I just be waiting until I come to stretch. I should do it at home. Is she upset?
Highly.
Uh-oh. How you know?
She's asking for a refund.
For real? It's only 20 minutes. I'm going to go out there and tell her how good this session is to the point where she's not going to want a refund.
I am next to me from the white side.
What net?
Loose, huh?
Yep.
All right.
I felt that. You heard that little crack up in the hips?
Let's go this way.
You better get to that lady. Ooh, didn't I just do this to you? Didn't I just do this to you?
You're supposed to be relaxed while you get the stretch.
And you told me I was making it up, and he just did the same thing. The only thing he did was something fancy with his body, right?
Put his hand behind your head. Take a deep breath in. And let's go. Oh, I feel that. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go.
Well, what was that last move? I know.
You need that one. You need that one. Okay.
Coming here showing off, got all black outfit on.
I was ready.
You were all set.
I was see how I came in ready for war because I ain't know what was. And then he was like, "You getting this strap today?" And I was like, "Woo!" See, I was dressed.
So let's see your squat. Let me see you do a deep squat. Just squat all the way down.
That's it.
See, can you put your heels on the ground?
This is my bad knee. This is where I tore my ACL.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
Ben just wanted to show off that he had mega knees. Ben, you got mega knees.
I'm flexible. I'm mobile. Okay.
It was a pleasure.
That's right. I'm going to come, Listen, 2 weeks. They coming to Baltimore. July. The second Wednesday in July. They coming to Baltimore.